For those of you coming over from Markie's video, hi, hello, I am Jenny Prochko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about mental health and awareness, spirituality, the moon, journaling, and all sorts of spiritual goodies and just things to help you become a healthier, happier human being. Today, Markie and I are doing tarot card readings for each other, and I am super excited to share with you what my reading for Markie was today, and I really can't wait to see what my tarot card reading was from her. I haven't had my cards read by anyone else in a very long time, in probably over 10 years, unless you count my husband reading my tarot cards as the silly person that he is. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it up above and down below. Hey Markie, I have a really special tarot card reading for you today. I drew your cards just like I draw mine at the beginning of each month, and I hope that this reading gives you some clarity and gives you a little insight into how you can potentially move forward. Today I used the Spirit Animal deck from the Wild Unknown, and I thought that this would be a perfect deck for me to interpret for you. So I drew 3 cards for you: to have, to do, and to be. For to have, the card that was drawn was the black egg. For to do, the fire ant. And to be, the elk. All really great cards for the spiritual goal that you had in mind. So let's go ahead and get into your reading. For the reading, I wanted it to be really similar to the way that I set goals with the tarot cards for my own spiritual practice, as a way to potentially help you implement these ideas into your life and gain some healing and some perspective and a way forward. I took your spiritual goal and I turned it into a positive affirmation that you can say to yourself and that will get you into the right frame of mind when it comes to thinking about what you're looking for perspective and healing on. Your spiritual goal. I am healing emotionally even further than before. I am moving forward on this journey of emotional healing. So the way that I'd love for you to use this little layout and little report of your tarot card reading is to take a chance to look at it, delve into it. I've drawn the tarot cards here for you in a little sketch with some watercolors, their meanings, and then over on the opposite side I have the mantra maker that I like to use. And I've also written out some example mantras on the other side that came from the tarot card reading for you to use. To have the black egg. The black egg is all about speaking from an authentic voice, the truth. The black egg is the epicenter of your truth. Speak out your truth. Don't hold it in. What do you know to be true about yourself, the situation, and the world? Make sure that you have the characteristics of the black egg in mind and to speak out your truth and to don't hold it in. To do, the fire ant. Aggression, rigid thinking, following orders. The fire ant is the force that attracts us to people and situations that feed our imbalances rather than those that counter them. Are you thinking too much about something? How can you break free from that aggravation? Make sure you meditate on those questions. Can you break free from this aggravation? What can you do? Is there something that you're thinking too much about and spending too much time on? It's probably time for you to let those fire ants go and to let that irritation out of your life. To be, the elk. Stable, resilient, headstrong, the father. The world needs more elk energy. Be the support and stability amid life's changes. Uphold your values and be stable, and be a stable force for those around you. On the opposite page of your tarot card reading, I have the mantra maker with themes of growth, healing, and connection that were kept in mind while I created these mantras for you. Before I read you what the mantras are, I wanted to let you know that I left a little bit of space on the opposite side for you, so you can go ahead and write in your own mantras or tailor these that I've written for you into something that really, really resonates with you, or to just create your own brand new mantras that are just uniquely you. I am speaking my own truth. I am a force of stability and authenticity. I will speak my truth. I will not dwell and move forward, always forward. I break free from this and find healing. I've set these goals to speak my authentic truth, break free from what imbalances me, and be the support and stability that I need for myself, by myself, as myself. So this is not just a tarot reading and a mantra maker for you. I've also included what I do in my monthly goal setting practice when I want some clarity or some action on some things that I've been worrying about or thinking about, or that I am just looking for perspective on. So when you open this up, I would love for you to write down your mantra for the month, and then take a second and write down your intentions for the month as well, on how you're going to gain clarity on your goal and also how you're going to move forward and find that emotional healing that you're looking for. On the full moon, make sure you check in and write down what you've succeeded in and what you'll improve. And then at the end of the lunar month, take a look back and see what worked. Were you able to gain any more emotional healing? Were you able to find those things that would work for you? Or did you stumble across some things that just do not bring you emotional healing? Write those down too. Write down what worked, what didn't, and then what you can improve as you continue on with this journey of finding emotional healing. I am super grateful to have done this tarot card reading for you, and I really can't wait to see what you have to say and what your reaction is, and I'd really love to hear back from you on how it goes when you take a month to work on these goals for emotional healing. All right, Markie, I had an awesome time doing this, and I can't wait to collab with you again in the future. You can catch me over on Instagram at alsindigo, that's where I am most, or over on the website alsindigo.com, where I share weekly spirituality tips, journaling prompts and writing prompts, little tidbits about the moon and how to move through the lunar phases with your goal setting practice, mental health and awareness, and my story. I'm super excited and grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.